Welcome back to Bunny's Kitchen. Today we are going to make for you cheesy baked mussels. Doesn't it sound yummy? Well, it'll also sound yummy. Now let's get down to business. First, we need to make the white sauce, or we call it the bechamel sauce. Bechamel sauce originally came from Italy, but I think it has moved over to French cuisine. It's a versatile sauce. Let's see how it is made. To a heated saucepan, we put in 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and we whisk it well. Okay, we are now waiting for the butter to be melted. Okay, you can see the butter has melted now. We now add in 2 tablespoons of flour. Okay, we have to mix it well. No lumps should be there. Once the mixture is smooth, we add in about 2 cups of milk or 400 milliliters of milk. We mix it well. Okay, we are making this sauce in medium heat. We will now wait for the sauce to thicken. Okay, the sauce has thickened. Now we will add in our seasoning. So we will be adding in freshly ground black pepper, a dash of salt. We have used salted butter just now, so it's just a little bit of salt. And to further enhance the flavor, we are using Italian seasoning. Okay, come. Okay. We got this Italian seasoning from cold storage. You can even get it from Giant or any other supermarkets around you. Okay, come, give it a good stir. Okay, the sauce is all ready. Can you see it's thick? Just to give you all a tip, this sauce can be made ahead and you can keep it in the fridge as well. If you keep it in the fridge, it will last you about 7 days. If you keep it in the freezer, it can last you about 3 months. And this sauce can be used for a variety of stuff like lasagna, potato gratin, baked vegetables, baked pasta, a lot of stuff. Okay, so now let's move on to see how to cook the mussels. Okay, we are now going to boil the mussels in water. It's only for 5 minutes. Okay, my kakak has put in salt in the water already, waiting for the water to boil. Kakak, how much did we buy these mussels for, kakak?
This mussel 1 kg, but we need just half kg.
Okay,
1 kg is just $3.
$3, you see? It's $3. Really budget cooking. But if you go to a restaurant to eat the same dish, you know tahu ke tak berapa ini?
Berapa, Mek?
Berapa? Around $10 ke $10, $12. Right now, we can do this dish for just like $5.
Yeah, $5.
It's really budget cooking, guys. No, we got this at Geylang anyway. Geylang Serai Market is one of the famous markets in Singapore. You can get good seafood at best price. My kakak is the best lah in choosing seafood and buying it at the best price. Okay, now. Okay, the water is boiling. It's coming to a boiling stage right now. Now let's put in the mussels inside the boiling water. Okay. Let's close and cook for 5 minutes. While we are boiling the mussels, let's go and preheat the oven, Kakak. Okay, oven should be preheated for 10 minutes. Come, Kakak, keep the temperature to 200 degrees.
200 degrees.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, and for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yep. Preheat the oven, please. Kakak, I think you forgot to turn the knob lah. Ah, yes. Okay. The mussels has been cooked. We have taken out the top shell. Kak, we have already cleaned up the mussels.
Yes,
Okay, can you see? And we have taken out the top shelf already. So, we also have cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, this cheese is just $2.99, guys. Really value packed, worth the money. Yeah, I got it at cold storage. Okay, it's 150 grams. Okay, so right now the sauce we had prepared earlier is here. Kakak, let's show them how to put in the sauce and the cheese. Okay. Okay. We have done some. Kakak is still doing the rest. Okay. We will come back to you after we completed everything. Okay, we are done with all the mussels, and don't you think it has not been even baked, but doesn't it look yummy? And my kakak, even though Indonesian, she likes spicy food, so must have chili padi. So kakak, you want to add your chili padi to the mussels? Okay, now we shall bake the mussels in a preheated oven for about 15 minutes until the cheese has melted and turned slightly brown. Come, Kakak, let's put it in the oven. Okay. Okay, the mussels are baking. Later we'll send you a yummy picture. And Sunil will be doing the taste test today.